What's going on? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got a 2016 Harley Davidson Tri-Glide. It's got under 5,000 miles. It's in great shape. It's got some nice upgrades as well. The trike has a 103-inch fuel-injected twin-cam 6-speed transmission. It's got the high-flow breather and some slip-on pipes. It's got upgraded passenger and driver floorboards with the flame pattern, and everything else matches, such as the highway pegs, the brake pedal, also some Willie G accessories, the Willie G grips, gas cap. Bike has cruise control and the grips are also heated. It's got upgraded chrome teardrop mirrors. It's got a Harley 3-pouch setup. And it's got the 6.5-inch touchscreen display with navigation. There's a few little chips on the bike. There's one right there. And there's a few on the front fender, very small. And then there were 2 marks on the seat. They're not holes, but they're kind of, I don't know. It's got the adjustable driver's backrest. It's got the Harley leather fender bibs. The rest of the bike looked good. I didn't see any other areas, any cosmetics really. All 3 tires are in great shape. Also, that 103's got the liquid cooled heads. It's got the adjustable wind deflectors, LED spot lamps, matching headlight. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and then gave it a professional detail. It's got the heel toe shifter. It's also got electronic reverse up here. Got the tour pack, a trunk, and then you got a luggage rack on top, so that should be enough storage. Camera's mine. You got the owner's manual. It's got the little tool kit thing. Both rear tires are in good shape. And it's got 4,210 miles. Good running bike. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. You can also check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.